Hello friends, welcome to my channel VTech. Today I will be showing you how to install your printer at home without any confusion. And this is our Inktank 419, which can print up to 8,000 color pages and 15,000 black. So let's start and I'll show you how to install it. So we have removed the printer from our box, and here we have kept it on table, and I will tell you how to pour the ink first and the step-by-step process. Let's see how we'll do it. First step we will be doing is pouring the ink in the ink tank. That this is a very important step, as it is written on the top also here, that is to fill the ink tanks first to prevent any damage. Now I'll show you how to pour the ink in the ink tank. First we will remove this wrapper, this black ink. Now we have to pour it in the specified color. Now we will be opening this bottle. So this one is black one, and close the cap and just open it from this here, and we have to open this cap, and just for pouring we have to just keep it like this. It will automatically pour up in this tank. So it's filling up here in the ink tank, we can see. So here we can see the tank is full till the line specified here, 80 ml. Now we will remove the bottle, and similarly we will be putting these three colors into these respective blue, pink and yellow tanks. Now we will be putting this blue, pink and yellow color respectively. This we have two digital cables provided with the printer for connectivity, and I'll show you install these print heads. Now let's see how to install the print heads. On this we have a printer print heads, where I'll show you how to install it in the printer. The most important step and the most expensive part of this printer. It will cost you approximately 4,000 rupees. And let me remove the wrapper. So this one is for the black and white, and this one is for color. And these print heads, try not to touch it. Remove these stickers placed. Now we will remove these stickers provided in the printer carefully. And this is for scanning and photocopying. And I'll show you to open this. This we will be removing this too. Now I've connected this from the switch, and I'll show you what we have to do next. I'll be removing this cardboard which is placed inside the printer, and we will have to insert a print head in this orange place, and don't try to move with your hand. We will be just pressing it on and it will move by its own. It will come to the middle, and I'll show you how to insert these print heads. This we have print heads. Now it has come to the middle. Now I'll show you how to insert these print heads. So you can see here it's given an arrow to the right hand side. You will just twist it, and here it's the arrow is given downward, so we'll press it. Now we can see, and this we have to remove this orange part. It's of no use, and here it's for the pink one is for the color. We'll be inserting it here. It's written here on the print heads to pull. We'll be removing this. Now I'll be inserting it here. Both the black and the color print heads have been inserted. Now we will just put a paper in here this way. And we'll show what's it's printing. Let's see. Let me put the papers. In inserting the page section, here we have a blue movable thing. This we can set the sizes of paper. If it's A4, just move this blue one to this place, and this A4 part, and then you can put the A4 page here. So it's printing. Press this for 3 seconds at least, so that you can get about printing. So it's printing its first page. So this is the first page what printer has printed. It's perfect, and this alignment is perfect.